Oh, hey, ho, hey. Alright, so welcome to No Budget Show. And today we were gonna make another Filipino dish that is Chopsuey. When I googled Chopsuey, surprisingly, in Wikipedia it says that it's an American Chinese cuisine. Wow. It's not even Filipino Chinese. It's an American Chinese. Anyway, so similarly with American Chinese cuisine it's a stir-fry vegetables, most likely with chicken, pork, quail egg, or seafood. But in my case, I don't eat pork and seafood, so we will not consider those in our chop suey. And for the vegetables, most likely these are broccoli, cabbage, young corn, carrots, and then cauliflower, bell pepper. Sometimes they put shiitake mushroom or bottom mushroom. But today, we don't have those because do you know that if we buy those ingredients individually, it costs us an arm and a leg. So it's still a stir fry. We will still gonna make a stir fry vegetables or a chop suey, but through this, it's cabbage and vegetable for saute. Luckily, it's in Lawson in Lawson. So we will make chop suey using this one, and we don't have animal meat, but we have veggie meat or meat magic meat. So we have this and this to create boom chop suey. Alright, so let's do it now. So ingredients would be onions, our meat magic meat, our vegetables, your mixed vegetables, it's already cut, and then our soy sauce, then oil, and then of course I'd like to add this black pepper. So that's our ingredients. That's our ingredients. Yeah, I just said it. So procedures. Alright, so yes, what I've said, procedures. So first we're gonna heat the pan, and then we're gonna pour the oil, saute the onion first, and then the vegetables. Then you add soy sauce, then black pepper. Water is optional. Then you add your meat, but in my case I will add the meat magic or magic meat. It's a substitute for animal meat. So if you're thinking of abstaining meat, then you can have that, or you can have tofu instead of meat. So let's cook now. Oh, fog in the lens. Sorry. Okay, there you go. So, tasting time. Our rice is ready. There you go. So, our chopsuey. You know this part. It's eating time. It's podcast time. So. Yummy, and yummy. All right, again. Oh, it's this time. All right. So that's our chopsuey stir-fried vegetable with magic meat, and I do hope you like it, and it solved your problem today, what to eat. Now, if you're new, then subscribe. If not, then like. If you're new, still like, and then please do share if you like to share. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a good day, good night, good afternoon, good evening. Goodbye. Thank you. Alright, this chopsuey episode is suggested, recommended by our friend Joyville, Mr. Joyville Abba. Yeah, that's his name and that's his profile over there. He's single and yeah, you know the drill. Anyways, I'm not selling my friends or the people I know, okay? I'm just, what do you call that one? Opening doors for them. Anyways, that's all. Good night and good morning and good afternoon and whatever time of the day are you watching right now. I do hope you enjoy it. Alright, see you.